Slytherin.
Hufflepuff. Good. A Ravenclaw. Fill in this area here, please. Quickly now. I must see how many of you there are. My, what a great group of students. I could do for sandwiches. Well, now, I am in desperate need of your assistance. Fleetwing, our missing Hippogriff, has fled into the forest. I found this feather that I'm certain belongs to her, and she may be in danger. Now, are you ready to help me?
Yes.
Are you ready to help me?
Yes.
Good. I shall need it. Now, before we can get started, we need to be able to see where we are going. So, on the count of 3, we shall all cast Lumos. So, wands at the ready. 1, 2, 3. Lumos! Excellent work, everyone. Good form. 5 points to every house. Now, danger lies before you while safety lies behind. So keep alert and follow me.
All the way in.
Good. Everyone fill in that area now. We must surround them so they don't get away. Come along now. Come along. Good. Don't let me get in. Good. Please, they're very dangerous. Good. All the way now. Good. Smaller windows at the front. You've been delivered to Hogwarts. And they've upset the monster book of monsters. Good dear. Good gracious. Oh, no. Everyone, I'm going to need your help. We need to cast a freezing charm on the pixies, Immobilis. So, point your wands directly at the pixies. On the count of 3, we shall cast Immobilis. Ready? 1, 2, 3, Immobilis! Good work, everyone. 5 points to every house. Now to deal with the monster book of monsters. I say, you there? Will you help me put the monster book of monsters to sleep by stroking its spine? Very gently. No, with your hand, please.
Oh, my hand.
Yeah, with your hand, stroke gently, gently. Good work. 5 points to your house.
Yeah!
Now, I shall inform Filch of this mess. We need to find Fleetwing, so everyone, follow me. Keep your wits about you. Wands at the ready. I promise it looks worse than it is. Oh dear. Oh my. Oh, spiders. Careful now. Oh, good gracious. I do promise it looks worse than it is. Good. Do we have everyone? Check around. You make sure you have your friends with you. I don't want to lose anyone again. Coming closer. This is why the Forbidden Forest is so forbidden. Because of acromantula. Now, acromantula are not all bad, no matter how large they might be. In fact, acromantula are far more afraid of us than we are of them. In most cases, yeah. What's the matter? Oh my goodness, they are running to me! Did I get it?
Yes.
I'm fine, thank you for asking. Now, shall we continue? Oh, yeah. Right this way, everyone. Fleetwing needs us. No, you're a good student. Does anyone see any hoofprints, talon marks, feathers? No? That's all right. Wait, you hear that? Everyone, keep your wands lowered. Act natural. Greetings. I am a professor from...
Visitors are not welcome here, especially those that cast spells so loudly.
We were just searching for a hippogriff named Fleetwing. Have you seen her?
The stars speak, but I do not trust your kind.
Great! That's Fleetwing! She's close!
Very well. Finish, then leave.
You have my word. Everyone, follow after me. We were very fortunate. The centaurs are notoriously grumpy. Good, come along then. My, You're all very good listeners. I very much appreciate that. I'm going to have all of you summon as much courage as you have. All right. Are we all good? Excellent. Oh, no! Devil's snare. It grabs on and never lets go. If it's this large, Fleetwing may be caught. Devil's snare. Devil's snare. Deadly fun soaks in the
Sun.
sun. 5 points to each of your houses. Well done. We need the sunlight charm. Lumos Solem. On the count of 3, we shall cast it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Lumos Solem. Courage, everyone. Follow me and don't let the tendrils touch you. Oh dear. So I'm sure they're very brave. They're all going to help. There's more devil snares, so we must stay away. Come in, fill in these areas here, please. Good, keep coming. There's more devil snare. Fleetwing, are you all right? I'm right here. I know. Excellent work, everyone. Now, Fleetwing is trapped in those ruins. I cannot do this alone. We shall need to cast the Lumos Solem spell once again. So, wands at the ready. Point them at the devil's snare. Have courage, good form, everyone. I know you can do this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Lumos Solem! Yes! Marvelous! Yes! Good work, yes, Fleetwing! That's my girl! Excellent work, everyone! Good show indeed! Now, everyone, the proper way to greet a hippogriff, we must all bow. Please, with my love, you need to fly back to the paddock. Will I escort this brave group back to Hogwarts? 50 points for every house! Right this way, everyone! Good one!